Good morning, student. I, Rashmi ma'am, is again back with your online classes, or you can say your online session for class 8. Subject is biology. As yesterday I had sent many of the videos, but all the videos were regarding small and I had not completed my topic which I had sent it you. So today I am again sending you the same topic, more videos to clear you something which I had not cleared in the previous video. Now over here we were reading about something more. Calyx and corolla are called accessory whorls because they just help in pollination but do not take part in reproduction. Calyx and corolla only helps in the pollination because what is corolla are the petals who attract the insects, birds, and calyx gives support. So they are only the accessory whorls for the pollination only, not for the reproduction. Now androecium and gynoecium are essential whorls. Why? Because they take part only and only in reproduction. They take part only and only in reproduction. So calyx and corolla accessory whorls, androecium and gynoecium are essential whorls. Now plant bearing male flowers in one plant and female flowers in another plant is called dioecious. Plants bearing male and female flower on the same plant is called monoecious. Now means what? Both the flowers, male and female part, plant bearing male and female flower both in a same plant, that plant is called monoecious plant. And the plant which are bearing only female flowers or only one female flower or only one male flower, they are called dioecious flower. Same as it you can say bisexual flowers, flowers containing both male and female reproductive parts. Over here the flower should be male or female, or if they are both, that plant is bearing both the flower, male flower also and female flower also, that is called monoecious. And if the plant is bearing only male flower or the female flower, that is called dioecious. This means what? It should be dioecious. Now in this I am saying that if the flower containing both male and female reproductive parts, that is called stamen and pistil, that is called bisexual flower. And if the flower is containing only stamen or only pistil, that is called unisexual flower. The male flowers are called staminate flowers and the female flowers are called pistillate, because the other name of androecium is stamen and gynoecium is pistil. So stamen, staminate, pistil, pistillate. Now we are moving towards the second main thing of this chapter, that is mechanism of sexual reproduction. Mechanism of sexual reproduction. Now how this sexual reproduction takes place in the flower. Now mechanism is what? The process. Now in this process this should be involved by the pollination, fertilization, formation of fruits and seeds, dispersal of seeds and fruits, and the last is the seed germination. This helps to growth a new plant from his parent plant. So this should be the whole mechanism, or you can say the whole process, in which how many processes take parts. First is your pollination, second is your fertilization, third is your formation of seeds and fruits, fourth is your dispersal of seeds and fruits, and last is your seed germination. Now in this topic, first the pollination we are going to study. Now pollination. What is pollination? Pollination is an ecological process carried out by all flowering plants. What is pollination? It is an ecological process. Ecological means what? Through ecosystem, through the nature. And it is carried out by all flowering plants. And it is carried out by all flowering plants. In this process, the matured pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma for the purpose of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. What happens in this? In this process, the matured pollen grains which are now matured for to take birth. Now in this, the matured pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma for the purpose of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Now, the transfer of pollen grains from the anthers to the stigma of pistil is known as pollination. Stigma to the pistil. Transfer of what? Pollen grains. So, this is the first step in the process of seed formation. Pollination is the first